Hello, esteemed organizers and attendees of the 8th International Conference on Mathematical Models and Computational Techniques in Science and Engineering. My name is Oumayma Agherai, and I'm a PhD student in the Informatic, Artificial Intelligence and Cybersecurity Laboratory at INSET Mohammedia in Morocco. Today, I'm excited to present our review findings on AI applications in education, a study conducted in collaboration with my supervisors, Mrs. Sadia Aoula and Mrs. Suad Ahris. So, in this presentation, I will begin with an introduction where I will talk about traditional learning, its drawbacks, and the shift toward modern education. Next, I will outline the objectives of our review, followed by the methodology and approach we use to identify AI applications in education. After that, I will present the key findings. And finally, I will conclude by summarizing our findings and discussing the limitations and future perspectives. Traditional teaching is characterized by a teacher-centered approach, where teachers are the primary source of knowledge, guiding students through passive learning and routine assessment. In this model, students are often expected to memorize facts and theories, resulting in limited active participation and exploration. This approach often results in low students' participation, a lack of personalized teaching, and insufficient student motivation. However, due to these drawbacks and advancement in computer science, there has been a shift toward modern education, which places students at the core of the learning process. This shift has led to the integration of artificial intelligence in education. So, the objective and the aim of this review is to explore the diverse applications of AI in education and to understand how AI can be leveraged to enhance the efficiency of the learning process. To conduct this review, we followed this methodology. We began by collecting data from various academic databases, including Google Scholar, Web of Science, and Scopus. Also, specific keywords were used to refine our search. For example, we used the keywords and phrases like AI applications in education, AI technologies used in education, especially we focused on higher education. Then we filtered the results based on paper titles, keywords, abstracts, and publication year. After identifying relevant papers, we thoroughly read and analyze their content, including the references, to ensure comprehensive coverage. Relevant references were added to our collection. The final step involved synthesizing the findings by grouping similar applications in their broader categories, creating a cohesive overview of AI applications in education. We have categorized our key findings into four broad categories and applications. First, profiling and prediction. Second, intelligent tutoring systems. Third, automation. And finally, educational robots and chatbots. So before diving into each application, let me first explain the structure of the table. The first column provides a description of the main application. The second column lists related applications, which are those identified in the literature findings and grouped under the main application. The shared features uh, highlights common functionalities among this application. Finally, the outcome column outline how this application can contribute to enhancing the efficiency of the learner process. So, first application we have is profiling and prediction. Here profiling and prediction are systems that analyze educational data to predict students' performance, behavior, and learning outcome. Related applications found in articles are predict and detect students' behavior patterns, learning prediction, modeling learning behavior, and admission decision. The shared feature here is data-driven insights for enhancing educational outcome. So the outcome here we have assisting and helping teachers forecast students' academic performance and identify at-risk students to help them improve their academic grades. The second application is intelligent tutoring systems. These are platforms that provide personalized instructions and feedback to students based on their learning needs. So, related application, adaptive systems, personalization of learning path, intelligent tutors, instructional learning delivery, resource recommendation. The shared feature here, customization of the learning experience to suit individual students' needs. The outcome customize the educational experience for each student by offering tailored learning paths and varying task complexity to suit each student's unique progress and learning pace. The third application is automation. Automation are AI-driven automation of administrative and instructional process to enhance efficiency and learning outcomes. So related application, we have students' behavior monitoring, automated assessment, automated questions generation, automated learning process model, and automated grading. The shared feature, automation of assessment and evaluation. Outcome, so by reducing the workload on educators, automations allows them to focus more on direct students interaction and advanced teaching tasks, thereby improving the quality of education and learning experience. And the last application, we have educational robots and chatbots. So here, educational robots and chatbots are AI-driven tools designed to interact with students and teachers to facilitate the learning experience. So related application, we have programming robots, social robots, robots as teacher, assistant and colleagues, and chatbots like ChatGPT. Shared feature, interactive and engaging learning through AI robots and chatbots. Outcome, they serve as pedagogical supporters, providing students with immediate assistance and resources, which can enhance motivation and participation in the learning process. To sum up, the review demonstrated that AI greatly enhanced multiple aspects of the educational landscape, emphasizing in the four main applications. So we have profiling and prediction, allow educators to identify at-risk students early and customize support for optimizing educational outcomes. Intelligent tutoring system personalize the learning experience and promoting deeper engagement and understanding of the material. Automation facilitates a more efficient educational environment by handling assessments, grading, and content generation. Finally, educational robots and chatbots enhance the delivery of curriculum and offer interactive and engaging learning experience. So this study have two main limitations. So the findings are based on existing systematic reviews and literature reviews rather than an entirely new collection of data. So that can may miss recent applications. Also, the fast-paced development of AI may have introduced new applications that were not included in this review. For future research and perspective, so broaden research to include more recent AI applications, investigate long-term impacts of AI in education. This is the list of the references used, especially in the categorization of the AI applications in education. And thank you for your attention.